The user-defined report setup allows to define the information to be displayed in financial statements, statutory reports, and the trial balance. The report lists on the left displays the reports for which the setup has been created in the application. As you click on any report in the list, the detailed definition of the report is displayed on the right. To create a new report format, click on the Add button. Enter the report ID. It can be up to 4 characters. Give a name to the report. Additional remarks for the report can be entered, if required. Select the appropriate option for the report type. The layout of each report type is different from the other. In the report format section, type in the narration, which is the text that should appear in the report when printed. Select the line type from the drop-down list. The information to be displayed in the particular line is based on the line type. Each line type indicates a specific kind of information to be displayed. These are the various line types that can be defined. For values of account codes, use GL. For statistical figures, use OT. To display only text, use RE. For subtotals, use ST. For totals, use TL. To multiply a fraction with a constant, use FR. The wildcard line type can be used to display the value of multiple account codes of the same department or sub-department. For multiple account codes that belong to a particular account group, use AG. BL can be used for a balancing line. For the line type GL, the information to be displayed can be the value of a single ledger, or the sum of more than one ledger account. For a single ledger account, enter the GL account code. If the information is a sum of more than one ledger account, click on the link of formula. The option selected is account codes. Click the Add Row button and enter the account codes one after the other that should be used in the formula. Formula can be to add the balances of the entered account codes, or to subtract, in order to arrive at a total figure that should be displayed in the specific line of the report. Click the Save button to complete the process of defining the formula. The formula can also be used when you choose the line type as ST or TL, which indicates subtotal or total. Click on Formula. The option selected is line number. Enter the line number that are to be included in the formula. Select Add or Subtract as the case may be. Click on Save. To display statistical figures in a line, the line type should be OT. Enter the statistics code in the column of GL account. If the line type is FR, which is a formula, upon clicking the link of formula, the system allows to multiply a fraction with a constant. A small window opens, in which the numerator, denominator, and the constant can be defined for the formula. For each row being defined in the setup, the number entered in the column of print sequence will be used while printing the report. It is the order in which the line should be displayed in the report. It is recommended to have a gap of 5 numbers in between each line being defined, so as to accommodate new lines later, if required, in between the existing ones. The percent line number is required to calculate percentages. This field is active only when the report type is financial statement. Enter the line number against which the percentage is to be calculated. Tick the checkbox in the column of print, for all the rows that should be displayed in the report. In case of financial statement report, this field is used to show negative figures with a sign in the report. If the sign is not required in the amount fields, then ignore this field. Tick on this field if for that row data should be shown in decimals. If no decimals are required, then ignore this field. The line number field is mandatory and signifies the identification number given to the row in the report. This number within a report will be unique and is mainly used for calculations. For line type is ST, subtotal, or TL, total, it is the line number which will be specified for totaling and calculating percentages. Click on the Save button to complete the setup of the report. If you are comfortable in Excel, then an Excel template which is available can be used to set up the report. Click on the link of Download Template. This will download an Excel template of the report setup, which can be used to define the report and upload into the application.